Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Easter video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw an Easter taco. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Easter taco, we're going to begin right here on our paper, and we're just going to make a little line that's going to go down and it's going to come up. So we're just going to start here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down, and then we're going to come up and down like this. Kind of like a small sad face, or small happy face, and then a big sad face. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a couple little bumps, and we're just going to bring these right up to here. Now, right up here, we're going to add a couple little ears for our little Easter bunny taco. So I'm going to begin here, and I'm going to make a nice line that's going to be nice and tall like this. Next, we're going to bring this down to here. Now, right inside of here, we're going to make that same shape. So we want to go up, and then we're just going to bring it down like this. Now, over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over, and I'm going to come down. Next, I'm going to bring this line right up here. Now, starting here, we'll make a little line that's going to come right up to there. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and then one more right there for a little inside detail of the ear. Now inside of here we want to add a couple little Easter eggs. I'm going to begin right here. We're going to make a line that's going to come up. It's going to come to a little bit of a point and then back down here. We'll make another one here. It's going to go up and down like this. And right here we'll make one that goes out, and then it's going to come right here. Next, I'm going to take this line, I'm going to draw it down a little bit farther. Now, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down, and then it's going to connect all the way to here. So I'm going to start right here, I'm going to go right around this, and then I'm just going to bring this all the way to here, and connect it. Now, on here we want to add a face for our little Easter taco. So I'm going to begin right here. We're going to make a nice circle shape for an eye. Then you want to leave some space and make another circle shape over here for another eye. Inside of here, let's color in a little black dot for a pupil inside each circle. And right up here, we're going to make a little line that goes across. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes down and up for a little nose. Starting right here, let's make a line that goes down, and it's going to curl around here. Then I'll make another one that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve around here. Underneath here, let's make a line that goes down, over, and up for a little tooth, and a little line that just comes down the middle. Starting here, let's make a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come up for a mouth, with a little sad face right in here for the tongue. Next, I'm just going to color this part in here real quick just to show where the mouth is. Now, right here, I'm just going to add two little whiskers on each side. And back here, let's put a few little bumps just to make like a little tail. Now our last step is let's add a couple little details to our Easter eggs. So you can do any type of design. I'm just going to make a couple spots on this one. So we'll make a few little circle shapes on here. And I'll put another one right up here. This one, I'm just going to make a few little curved lines on here for some details. And this one, I'm just going to make a few little wavy lines. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Easter taco. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.